Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today's video we are doing 2 weeks hair challenge, okay, of using cloves and rosemary. So this is day one. I did a previous hair video where I made this hair and how I made my clove and rosemary water, okay. So I am just only showing you guys how it started. So for anyone that is joining new, my new subscribers, thank you all so much for joining the family. Thank you all so much for the 800 in counting subscribers. I really do appreciate, like you, as I said earlier on, we're on the road to 1k and also trying to grow our watch hour. Thank you all so much for really engaging in that video. I really do appreciate. So I only applied my clove and rosemary on my hair, then I used that my roller to roll my hair, and I add my oil. So that was day one, and this is previous day, like let's say 2 days, let me say 3 days after, because that roller I roll my edges, okay, 3 days after, okay. Every other 3 days I use the roller to roll my edges. By then the holes I've already punched has healed, okay. So you can do 3 days after, you can do 4 days after, it all depends on you. So here is me again after 3 days. I'm rolling this stuff on my hair again. Like, this thing is so painful, but you know, I want to see results on my edges. I don't want to be having these patches on my edges. So yes, we celebrate little result. I'm seeing results. If you're seeing results, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to drop a pics of my hair, my edges before, so you can compare my edges before and my edges now. Let me know if you saw any results, but I know that it's growing and it's growing with time. So loves, as for the update of using our hair supplement in this 2 weeks challenge, I did not drink any supplement. I only use clove and rosemary on my hair, add the oils, and that's it. I did not take any supplements that I taken to boost my hair growth. So this is just only me using cloves. So girls, this is another day, okay. I can't remember the day, but I know it's another day, almost close to the ending of the first week of using this, of making this clove and rosemary water, okay. This is me just spraying it all over my hair and do the same thing I've been doing in the first few days, okay. The same routine: spray your clove water on your clove and rosemary water on your hair. You massage your hair, massage it so well, like you feel so good after the massage. Then after the massage, you add oil and you add butter to seal in, okay. So this is me here. I did a new clove water and rosemary water, okay, because the previous one I said it's almost done. So this is the previous one, okay, it's almost done. So we need a new batch, all right. And I always say every 5 days you renew your batch of clove water. So this is me here in using the new clove water and rosemary water. And after this clip, I think I did not film again, but I was doing it, but I didn't film again because I was busy, and I made sure that I spray it on my hair because I kept this clove water in the fridge. So anytime I open my fridge, like I open my fridge every day, so every day I open my fridge, I remember to use my clove and rosemary water on my hair. So that's what me opening the fridge was a reminder to use it on my hair. Yeah, so I'm just going to do the same routine I did it the first time. I'm going to do the same routine here. So the benefit of clove helps to promote your hair growth. It helps to promote your hair growth, okay. It also helps in maintaining healthy hair, and it has antibacterial, antifungal, anti-detoxin richness, okay, properties that improve your scalp circulation. It strengthens your hair, it prevents dandruff, natural hair darkening, okay. It darkens your hair naturally, okay. It reduces hair loss, and it improves texture of your hair. So it's, as you can see, clove has an amazing benefit for our hair. And the use of, so I'll give you 5 benefits of rosemary. Rosemary boosts your hair shine, it strengthens your hair strand, it's smoothing your hair scalp, it promotes your hair thickness and longness, okay. All right, it re-energizes your scalp and prevents dandruff and grayness. So All these two ingredients I mix together are really effective for our hair growth. So keep on watching, guys. Hi guys, so today is the last day, because if you calculate from 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1st of February, 2nd of February, 3rd February, 4th of February, 5th of February, 6th of February, 7th of February, 8th of February, 9th of February, 10th of February. So today is 10th of February, and I'm using this to spray on my hair. Since I say it's 2 weeks, okay, so it's already 14 days already. So it's then tomorrow, which is the 15th day, we'll check our length. Okay, I won't check my length today, that is 14, so it has to last till tomorrow, that is 15, for us to check our length and lose my hair, because I can see my hair is already like all growth. The growth might not be much, but I don't know. This is how it is. So that's that. So let's spray this on my hair. What happened? It will up. Yes. The TV. Yeah. The TV. Okay, come. Mama, leave there. Mama, leave there. Mama, leave there. Hi guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, welcome to day 15. So I'm going to use this our remaining clove water to sprinkle all over my hair as my water base. Then I'm using my condition, normal condition. It's not a living condition, it's just a normal condition. Why I'm doing this, so that when I'm losing my hair, it will be easier for me to lose my hair, and my hair will not be dry, or the knots is not going to tangle around the comb I'm going to use to lose the hair. Yeah, so this is the reason why I'm doing this. I'll just do this, allow it to stay a little bit, then here I'm losing the hair. As you can see, my hair is really, my hands are really moist. So when I'm losing my hair, it's going to be glazing through my hands. Okay, so first of all, I use my comb just to open up the mouth of the hair, then I will use my hand to separate my hair. This method will help you to limit breakage. Okay, so I'm going to be doing this till I lose my hair. As you guys can see, when I use the comb to bring out a space, then I use my hand to unravel it. Then when I lose, when I get to a certain point, I'll use my hand to lose the rest of my hair. I'll do this method again without me talking, so that you can see what I am saying. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed to this extent. Please thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for the amazing support. I really do appreciate. Kindly hit on the subscribe button if you've not subscribed, like the video, share the video, and leave your commentary as well. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried cloves and rosemary? I know it's a trendy thing in the hair community. Let me know if you have not tried it. Let me know. Okay, and let me know which other video you would like me to do for you all. Okay, so keep on watching to the end, where I'll show you all how I achieved my length, and like the real length, because I'm not going to be filtering anything in that part of the video. I'm going to be adding everything. Yeah, so you see how the length is and all, and I'm also be adding maybe a clip of my former hair length, so that we can compile the previous hair length and this recent one, did my hair grow or not? So this is the hair shed I had just in losing that braid. Okay, so I'll keep on losing my hair. Whatever hair shed I have, I'll show you guys at the end of the video my hair fallout. Okay. So guys, this is the hair fall I had. Like, it's literally very small compared to the last one. Okay, this is the hair fall I had. This is how my hair looks like right now. I've not washed it, so I'm going to wash it and then come back and give you guys my length check. Okay, so keep on watching. If you watch this extent, thank you so much. For our front hair, as I said, I'm not going to be giving like an update of our front hair till after the 3 months. Yeah, so it's just there. Alright, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. That is when I will show you guys my hair length. So guys, I'm done washing my hair, so let's do our length check. There's no product on my hair, so my tape. I'm scared, I'm excited, in between. Okay, so if it grow, if it does not, no, if it grow, yay. If we don't have any growth, we'll try again. Yeah, so we'll start with my front hair. Like this, I use flaccid as my detangler to detangle my hair before I washed it, and it left my hair so soft and easy to manage, like very easy to manage. So if you've not seen that video, go check it out. Okay, I'll drop it after I drop this one. Yeah, so this is, sorry guys, sorry, it's backward, I'm using front camera. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. Then we'll start from here. Oh God, please let this hair grow. If this hair not grow, I will cry. I will cry because I literally did everything down to the T. Apart from taking supplements, I didn't take supplements when doing this hair, whatever. So looking at it, we got 10. We have 10 inches, guys. Let me do it well. This one. Yeah. 10 inches. Yeah. 10 inches and some. 10, like I 10.5. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it 10 or 10 point? 10 point, I don't know. Let's check this side. One, two, It's 10 inches. Yo. All right, let's check here. And then cut it down. Put this from here. Put this from here. No, this point is going to 11. It's like my hair is not equal. Seriously, my hair don't grow equally. It does not grow equally. Like this is 10, this is 1. Let's go. Like 11, guys. It's stopping here. 11. Alright, let's check my back here. Back here, I'm not sure I can check it well, but I'll try. Because I know in the previous video I checked my back here, so let me see if I can check. I can't check this side, I'll check the other one. Am I saying 9.5? Yeah, 9.5. Okay, let's check this other side. This other side is saying 10. So my hair fall after using cloves and rosemary for 2 weeks. This is my hair fall. Conclude it, one side of my hair grows faster than this other side. So this is my left hand. My left hand side, the back was showing 9.5. This side was showing 10, and the front, I don't know if it's both fronts, but the front is showing 10. Okay, then for this side, the back is showing 10. Yeah, it was showing 10, and this side was showing 11. That is to say, my hair don't actually grow equally. It grows, but don't grow equally. One is longer than one side. I think that's how my hair is when the back beats, and I'm not ready to go and do another low cut again to even it out. So maybe what I'll do is I might trim it to even out the whole places. Like I'll cut this side to be as short as this one, then it will be even, so that we can grow them together. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Like, I really do appreciate for you watching the video to this extent. I know it's a bit long, okay? Thank you so much for watching. You're helping me to improve my watch hour, alright? And I'm also showing you guys everything real without editing or without cut and join. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you all in my next challenge. I am thinking of a challenge to do. Drop your comments in any challenge you would like me to do. I'm thinking of doing coffee challenge. Let me know if you are up for coffee challenge. When I drop this video, if I see anybody that say yes to coffee challenge, I will start doing coffee challenge. Okay, but if I don't see any yes to coffee challenge, I might do another challenge. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next one.